Hi boys and girls, we are correcting our weekly language review number 9. You should have all the boxes done, and now we are ready to correct in red pen. When you correct, you will put a star if you get it right, and if you get it wrong, you will fix yours so that it matches mine. Starting on week 9, day 1, box 1. Check the exclamation sentence. Exclamation sentences will end with an exclamation mark. So this is easy. We can look to see the end punctuation. This one has a period, a question mark, a period, and an exclamation point. So the only exclamation sentence is this very last one. So I will put a check mark there. Check yours. Check the question sentence. So a question sentence will end with a question mark. Let's look at the end punctuation. Exclamation point, period, period, question mark. So this is my correct answer. When are we going? Next one, check the command sentence. Remember, commands might end with a period or an exclamation point. So we are going to need to read the sentences that end with either one of those more carefully. So this first one has a period, so I'll have to read it. This next one has a question mark, so I can eliminate this one. This is wrong. I can cross that off. Do your homework, that ends with a period, and this one ends with an exclamation point. So we need to check those three. Monkeys live in the jungles. Is that a command? Is it telling you to do something? No, it's just telling you a fact, so that's not one. Do your homework. Is that commanding you to do something? Is it telling you to do something? Yes, it is. That movie was amazing. Is that telling you to do something, ordering you around? No. So it's just that third one. Fourth box, checks the statement sentence. Statement is a declarative sentence. It ends with a period. So what time is the program? Nope, that ends with a question mark. The puppy barks all night. Well, it ends with a period, and it's not a command. So yes, that's one. Don't give up. That's telling you to do something, so that's considered a command. What a big dog, that ends in an exclamation point, so that is our answer. We are moving on to day 2, box 1. Underline the complete predicate. The subject is the who or what a sentence is about. The predicate is what they do. So the sparkling diamond ring was missing from her finger. So who or what is this sentence about? Well, the sentence is about the sparkling diamond. So what did that sparkling diamond do? Well, that sparkling diamond was missing from her finger. That is the predicate. Was missing from her finger. It always will start with the verb. Add punctuation to make this sentence correct. The art teacher ordered a paint paper, and scissors for our classroom. Well, she ordered a lot of things, so we need to put some commas in between. The art teacher ordered a paint, comma, paper, comma, and scissors for our classroom. When you have a list of things, you need to separate those things with a comma. Next one, what is the meaning of the underlined word? The massive whale surfaced near the boat for the tourists. So if we didn't know what massive meant, we would look at the words around it. So whale, okay, I can picture a whale. Surfaced, meaning comes to the surface. And I know that there are tourists looking at it. So I know something about whales, and I know that they are very big. Massive means big or large. Right, F for fact or O for opinion. Our team is amazing. Well, I know this is an opinion because it's someone's belief. The boat is 12 feet long. This is a fact. It can be proven true or false. Day 3. Circle the complete subject, the who or what of the sentence. The rowdy but adorable toddler captured all the attention at the party. So who or what is this sentence all about? Well, it's all about the rowdy but adorable toddler. That is the complete sentence. Next, complete the analogy. Dolphin is to swim as bird is to what? So we have to look at how these words compare. Dolphin is to swim. So how does dolphin relate to the word swim? Well, I know dolphins swim. So now I need to think about the next word. Bird is to what? How do birds get around? They fly. Fly is the missing word. Circle the common nouns in the sentence below. So common nouns are basically the opposite of proper nouns. We've been practicing proper nouns and they're always capitalized and they're very specific types of nouns. Common nouns are more general, okay? They're just people, places, or things that are not specific, so they're not going to be capitalized. A whale eats krill, fish, and squid in the Pacific Ocean. So we're looking for the nouns that are not specific. Whale would be one, that's a thing. Krill would be another. Fish would be another. Squid would be another. Pacific Ocean is a noun, but it's a proper noun, so I'm not going to circle it. What type of figurative language is the following sentence? He's as cool as a cucumber. Remember, similes will use the words like or as to compare. Metaphors will say something is something else or things are something else. So if we're comparing in this sentence, I know that I'm comparing whoever he is to a cucumber, right? Because he's super cool. So I'm going to look for that connection word. I see as, and I know that the type of figurative language that uses as would be a simile. Last day, simple sentence or compound sentence. Walruses and seals are both mammals that live in the sea. Well, for a compound sentence, I would need a comma and a conjunction, and I don't see any commas in here. So this sentence can't be broken up into two smaller sentences, meaning it's a simple sentence. Which of the following words are transition words? File, late, finally, or next? You would have two answers, and it would be finally and next. Next box, check if the word is a noun, verb, or adjective. Massive. Well, massive, is that a person, place, thing, or idea? No. Verb, is it an action? Is massive an action? Can you go massive? No. It's an adjective because it's a describing word. It describes a noun. So you could say that the whale was massive. It describes the noun. Write F for fragment and S for sentence. Remember, a sentence must have a subject and a predicate, otherwise it's a fragment. Colorful, delicate birds. Does that have a subject and a predicate? Nope, doesn't have a predicate, so this is a fragment. Playful penguins. Does this have a subject and a predicate? Nope, it's just a subject, so it's a fragment. The dolphins swam. Does it have a subject and a predicate? Yes, the dolphins are the subject and swam is the predicate, so this is a sentence. Dogs like to bark. Does it have a subject? Yep, dogs. Does it have a predicate? Yep, like to bark, so that is a sentence. I'm going to zoom out for you. Check that you have everything starred or fixed. When you do, then you are submitting it to Weekly Language Review number 9 on Schoology. Good work.